What is up, YouTube? Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2026. I'm going to be going over today's price action and the one trade I ended up taking, making roughly, show here, $2,736.10 across two accounts, passing one of my evaluation phases. I have one left. Hopefully tomorrow is the day I pass it. So come next week, I can copy trade my three funded accounts. Then we can start making some good ass money. But with that being said, let's get into this trade recap. So, all-time highs. We haven't left. And it's the easiest thing to trade by far. My experience, all-time highs. People go crazy about them like it's rocket science. I mean, I could teach my dumbass dog how to fucking trade all-time highs. I mean, it's simple stuff. The only one thing that you need is patience. If you don't got patience, not only will you not be able to trade all-time highs, but you will not be good at trading at all. And that I do know for a fact. So, getting into the bias, pretty simple. Close to all-time highs, you're going to trade them. No need to go against the wave. No need to go against the current in the market. The market wants to move up close to all-time highs. It's going to go there. No point in shorting. If you shorted, I mean, McDonald's, Burger King, they're hiring all the time. But with that being said, the bias was bullish, and if not, not trading. So going into market open, we had a 4-hour that we tap into and reject out of right here. As you can see, I mark out this 4-hour bullish gap that we come into, wick into, and then reject out of. We also had this one below it, but we never did go that low in price. This was also a session low, I believe, Asia, or no, this was the New York PM low from yesterday. We never went that low in price, so we go to the lower time frame. I was kind of looking for an inverse out of that. I did see one, but the fact of the matter is I didn't take a inverse out of it due to the fact that we ended up creating this 15-minute gap. Now, not that it mattered, but at the time I thought, this 15-minute gap, we'll tap into it, reject out of, go to all-time highs. That never happened, which is where the patience comes in. We never tapped into that 15-minute. We just kept rallying and rallying up. But we did create this 5-minute bullish gap, which was kind of my my make or break. If we didn't tap into this and reject out of it, just wasn't going to get a trade. Luckily for me, we did wick into it and reject out of it perfectly with this 2-minute inverse to the upside. This inverse right here, I entered off of, stop at the low, targeting all-time highs, break even right here at this interior high. But I did target all-time highs. My account needed a bit more money in it to pass. The target was 53,000, so I kind of just scalped a little bit more past all-time highs, which worked out. Exited right around here, and now as you can see, market's kind of just chopping around at all-time highs. But we banged it. Very simple stuff. A plus. I mean, it doesn't get easier than that. And yeah, that was today's trade. Hopefully tomorrow I can pass the other eval. So like I said, come next week I can copy trade all three of my fundeds. And yeah, until then, I will see y'all in the next trade recap. I'm gonna go listen to some Rick Ross. Y'all have a blessed day.